fabric store. I am going to try and find some muslin for a chemise and drawers, and then hopefully I can find some ribbon. That way I can do like take another ribbon and interweave in it and make it look, you know, semi cutesy. And then of course I gotta get some more thread. What else do I need? I mean, really, I'm just trying to keep myself busy because, you know, I'm on vacation and I have nothing to do, so yeah, there's that. But anyways, I'm gonna go in and get these things. Hopefully it won't take me very long. We'll see. Okay, back in the car. I found the prettiest, completely snow white muslin. I mean, muslin is usually like a tan beige color, but this is bleached muslin, and oh my goodness. And it's super soft. So I got 3 yards of that. And look at this ribbon I found. Okay, so there's already a ribbon interwoven in it. And then, of course, I'm a sucker for red. So I'm gonna I found a similar width ribbon of this one that's already interwoven in it. And it's this red color, and I'm gonna take the white ribbon out that's already there and replace it with this red ribbon. Yeah, I'm being extra right now. So there's that, and that's gonna be the trim around the top piece of my chemise. And I owe all of this to Bernadette. Yeah, Bernadette, thank you for the idea on the chemise and the replacing the ribbon and everything, because I am similar style. And then I ended up getting me a white marker pen and some more black thread. This black thread is not for my chemise. It is for quilts. Yeah. Because somehow I had another one of these. Somehow I lost it. I don't know where it went to. But anyways, there's that. And I found a candle. It's wild tuberose, and as soon as I opened the jar and smelled it, I had flashbacks to my childhood of going to visit my dad during the summer, because for some reason they've got all these plants around the back side of the house, and that's what it smelled like. But I know the plants around the back side of the house were not tuberose. They're primrose. So maybe that's why they're similar. But anyways, I'm going to get off here, and I'm going to go to the pet store and get a cone of shame for my fur baby. She keeps licking a spot and she's licked it raw. So yeah, we're going to take care of that problem. And I don't know. Well, I'll see. I may drop into the bookstore for a couple of minutes. We'll see.